Scott couldn't be here only because he's a really lazy guy. But other than that, he would have wanted to be here. If of course, it would have been convenient for his super incredibly selfish day. I hope this doesn't get out to him. We love you, Scott.
Freaking out. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I have decided who's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Hey, 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 just in time. I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like me. Gave my life direction, a game show love connection. Can't deny. I'm so obsessed. My heart is bound to beat right out my untrimmed chest. I believe in you like a virgin, you're Madonna, and I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? The way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do.
Okay, now you gotta kick it up a notch.
Tonight, the way you can cut a rug, watching you's the only drug I need. So gangsta, I'm so thug. You're the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you be with me. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Hey, hey, hey.
It's not even nighttime.
Today.
Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks. Amazing job.